Hello and welcome back to my vlog channel. Good morning, good morning. It's the morning time and I'm going to check on my sweet potato garden. We're going to look what's happening on the farm. So this is how it looks now. Super nice. Why I have to give thanks to the Most High because the garden really looks beautiful. It's flourishing and I'm going to do some spraying later on today. And look who come and stop by.
My God, me love to see your sister how you perform. Your garden pretty.
Not true?
Nice man. Me say I love that sister.
Yes.
You top try, don't top because me never know say you would perform so pretty.
Yeah man, it's pretty.
I tell you have a beautiful ground sis.
Yes, and yesterday me took some pumpkin over there so yesterday. The cocoa them.
Yeah man.
Me took some pumpkin and some
melon. Melon, sweet potato.
And I'm gonna put the corn them on this side.
You have long-eyed peas.
Yes, the peas them will grow up in
yeah man, beautiful sis, beautiful. Yes. Don't stop try sister, me love that.
Yes.
Me love that my sister.
So everybody, this is Mr. Burton, the 81-year-old farmer.
Yes man.
Yeah man.
I'm proud of the sister brother. Proud of her. And me say she beautiful ground man.
Thank you.
Yes sister, don't stop.
Alright guys, so let's look again further down and see what going on the farm. Oh my God, I'm so grateful for how the sweet potatoes are performing. And see the cocoa them start to catch off. This little one over here, to open a leaf. This one here just catching. And right here where you see I put sticks, any stick you see is because I plant something there. I put pumpkin right here. Put another pumpkin right here. And further on down in the news, this is melon. I put melon here. Right here I have some Scotch bonnet pepper seeds. So I'm trying to do like a little bed, like a little nursery with Scotch bonnet pepper seed. This cocoa just catching off. See one more cocoa here. Some more cocoa over there. Let me see. Right here is a melon seed. I remember where I put everything, you know. Okay. What may I have here? Alright. Here I think is another melon seed. More cocoa. Right here is a pumpkin seed. And more cocoa. Go all the way down. This is some more pepper I put here. Some more Scotch bonnet pepper. And see how beautiful the sweet potato is. Oh my God, I'm so proud of it. Sorry about the two men in the background cursing. That a country. Them cuss today and turn friend tomorrow. But I'm going to fence around it. So we get the post them to make the fence and I already have the wire. I'm just waiting on Scully to come and fence it around for me. But whoa! People, the sun just coming up so it's a bit hard to see up top. But look at my sweet potato. I'm so happy and proud. It's like I planted right on time to get everything. The moonshine, the rain, everything it needed to progress and to strive. And look how beautiful it is. I'm so proud of my sweet potato. So guys, I just really wanted you guys to see how beautiful the sweet potatoes are. How lovely and clean the garden is. So over there where you see the stones, that I planted some pumpkin and melon over there too. And on the side coming down over there on the side coming down, I'm going to put some corns. So next time you see the farm, some pumpkin should be springing up and some melon and some other things that are planted. I'm gonna clean down a area land down there where I'm going to do some sorrel. So you can see that farm as well. I'm going to do a vlog on my sorrel farm. Alright. So yeah man, the thing them look nice. It looks beautiful. So we're gonna do a little walk through and see what's going on. Alright, so as you can see, worms are eating these leaves. Or is it bug? This look like wormhole. So guess what I have to do? Spray it. And I'm going to spray it this morning. So yeah man. And dogs still coming in here, you know. So that's why I have to ensure I get it fenced off. But the post was the problem. Now I get some logwood posts. So we can do the fencing now. See right here I plant pumpkin and melon right there. I plant pumpkin on the stone over here. And I throw some little seeds over there. I just spread it out so stuff can spring up, you know. But over this section that we're going right now, look at this sweet potato. Oh God. Spreading all over the place already. Over this side now, going up, I'm gonna do the corns. Right? Yeah man, the sweet potato look beautiful. So you can comment in the comment section what you think of my sweet potato farm. Alright? So these are my corn seeds. Alright? I'm just going to juke and drop the seeds along. So, drop my corn seed. Cover it with a little dirt. Right? Yeah man. Alright. There we go. We'll just cover it with a little dirt. Open the dirt. Alright. Go in my pocket again. Drop another corn seed. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more lovely videos with me vlogging. So until next time, it's bye for now.